Hi everyone, this is Hanbom Kim from GoodTask. I couldn't wait more, so I updated the app for both iOS and macOS with 5.9. Widgets on Mac and other support for Big Sur will come when it gets released. This update will include follow-up features onto the Mac version and will have some more additional features on both platforms. First is improvements on search. Now when you search and select a task, history will be saved in Recently Searched group. This group will be automatically made on initial search. It'll contain latest 5 search results you've made. If you want to keep the result, you can simply move them to other place. It's same with Smart Lists, so you can edit it as you want. If you don't like to keep search results, you can remove Recently Searched group and it'll be done. You can move around that group too if you want it on other places. Just make sure you have other group or space under it. If you keep other lists under that group, it may get removed as you search more things and have 5 results. When you search inside a list, you can pick range by tapping this button. Searched result will also contain this info, so you may want to keep that in mind. When selected task is inside current list, it'll select that task right away on the list. If not, it'll go to newly made search result list. Search URL scheme has been added too. You can use this URL to open search result right away. Keywords need to be URL encoded, so you may want to know that. Hashtag is %23 and %20 for space if you want to type it in manually. Multiple keywords can be set with space just like on the search page. List can be set too. It'll look through lists including smart lists you have and search inside that list if it's set. Now, when you have Smart Lists group and Lists group, newly made Smart List or Reminders list will go into that group automatically. Widget got some adjustments too. Calendar event will show location on default and full type. Also, end time will be shown when start and end date is same. There's some improvements on Mac version. You can type Command-Enter or Command-O while task is selected to bring up menu directly. This will let you run quick actions with keyboard easily. Drag and drop text from outside into a task will make subtasks. Separate lines will make separate subtasks. Line and circle prefix will be ignored. Copy to clipboard is added on task's right-click menu. You can move subtasks in and out easily with this feature. Improvements on search comes same with iOS version. Also, things that's been previously updated to iOS have come to macOS. Right-click on Calendar will give you option to make task, calendar event, and templates. Relative time option is added to tasks in templates. Icon can be hidden on middle pane. Sync completed tasks range option is removed with better overall performance. More will come soon. Hope you enjoy the update. Thanks and get it done with GoodTask.